My name is Juan de Garcia and I'm one of the owners of Gourmet, a family company in the south of Spain. We are a fourth generation family company and we are producers of some premium extra virgin olive oil and some really unique wine vinegars. So our farm is located in Granada. We have about 200 acres, which means about close to the 500 acres of olive trees. We have about 40,000 trees of different ages from 25 years to more than 100. And we do a very sustainable growth. We try to make no pesticides. The fertilization we use comes out of the waste of the production. So we use the pumice, which we make compost out of it and bring it back to the fields as an organic fertilizer. We produce for Gourmet two different olive oil varieties. We start with the Arbequina usually. Arbequina is what we call a sweet olive oil. It's definitely not sweet, but we call it like that because the entrance is really not too bitter. And you get the freshness of fresh cut grass. It's more similar to fruits, so you will get hints of green banana, green apples, and it's really not too spicy, so it's not an aggressive olive oil. Then we also produce Picual, and here we get a more robust olive oil, so it's definitely more bitter at the entrance, also a little bit spicy at the end. So it will leave you a little bit this spiciness feeling. This fruitiness is not fruits, it's more like vegetables. So you will find on it green tomatoes, green almonds, artichokes. It's more like vegetables. Actually, this Picual olive oil was selected last year as the Premio Alimentos de España, which is given by the Ministry of Agriculture in Spain as the best olive oil in Spain, and also by the International Olive Oil Council as the best olive oil in the world. So, and the R&D department of Met just created two new products. We have an yuzu olive oil. So yuzu is a Japanese citrus which we get from the east part of Spain. What we actually do with this is we press it together with Arbequina olives. So it's what Italians call agrumato. In Spain we don't have a word for that, but it's a natural production. So we are really pressing the peel of the yuzu with this Arbequina olives in order to make a very natural product. And another product that we just developed is a smoked olive oil, in which we are adding smoke to an Arbequina olive oil. The smoke just comes from the own pits of the olives. So Gourmet uses the pit for the smoke, which we kind of filter. We cool it down and just pass it once through the extra virgin olive oil of Arbequina, giving it a very smooth, smoky flavor. Gourmet is also a producer of some really premium wine vinegars. They're really unique because of two different aspects. First, we are not farmers of grapes, so we look is for good wines that could be bottled. The second thing that makes our vinegars unique is the method we are using. It's a German method, it's called Schützenbach, and this method allows us to make the vinegar like 18 to 20 times slower than other industrial methods, so that we can keep the original color, flavor and taste of the original wine. So Gourmet is in all, as I said, a family company in which we created a great team. Without the team of Gourmet, we could not get the product that we are getting and getting them in hands of the best chefs and the best shops all around the world. We are today in over 38 countries right now. That makes our work really worth. We are really happy to receive everybody coming to our farm, knowing better how everything is produced. So everybody is really welcome to visit us, visit our website, asking for information. We are more than welcome. So again, you are really invited to visit us in Granada. It's a beautiful city. You will know our team, which is a nice team, young team, and always looking for making the best product possible to put it in your own hands.